back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can display the PointMark SwiftUI chart in 3D in native iOS applications with help of SwiftUI obviously. So yeah, let's get started. I'm running my application on a real iOS device, like an iPad device. It is still taking a bit of time, it is not yet up. So in the meantime I'll just show you guys the code. So all I have done is that I have imported this is just one file code. Okay, so don't worry too much about it. Okay, so I think the application is up. So here you can see this is the output. So I can just move it around as well. As you can see, this is a kind of like, so I have very less data, that's why it might look boring to you, but if you have more data, you can. I have not added this gesture for scale, zoom in and zoom out, but just like you have a normal gesture for zoom in and zoom out, in SwiftUI you can apply that particular gesture to this chart as well. So here this is how the chart looks like. So hopefully you got the point. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So I have imported SwiftUI, I have imported charts, and I have imported spatial. Then here this is the struct which I have created, and based on this particular struct I have created this particular array as well. Now this Charts3D pose, this is for rotating your particular chart. If you want, you can use this default as well, but default I don't think will help you to rotate it. That's why you have to use this azimuth, which is the degree, and this is the inclination as well. Okay, so here I have just defined one text, and here is our Charts3D. So here I am just using PointMark. You just have to pass the x, y and z value, and here I have just used this foreground style. If you want, you can use it. Okay, I think I have applied two foreground styles, sorry about that. So you can just remove one of this and just use this foreground style, and chart axis label x value, chart y axis label y value, and this is the z value. And here we are just doing Charts3D projection automatic. There is perspective and orthographic as well, so if you want you can try that out. And here we are just passing our Charts3D pose and just applying some padding. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.